An advent calendar but with a fun twist. That's what I got for you today here on Handmade Home. Let me introduce you to Akie, which is short for acorn, which is the Dutch for squirrel. A while ago I got this book. Oh, Akie, you stay there? A while ago I got this book from the library called Luna Lapin and Friends, which is a lovely book with teddies you can make and also lots of clothing options. And she really wanted a squirrel. So while I was making the squirrel, I was thinking, I also need to make an advent calendar. Wouldn't it be fun if the squirrel is the advent calendar? So he is the first day she opens, and then the other 24 days she opens a little parcel that has an accessory for the squirrel or an outfit or a little bit she can put on him. So I got busy. And there are a few patterns in the book that I used, loads on Pinterest, lots of lovely patterns you can do. I done very easy ones of just a little bit of jersey that makes a scarf. I done some booties that I found a pattern for on Pinterest. Also freehanded quite a lot of stuff, and then done some easy things like necklaces and bracelets. But my favorite make is this little shopping trolley. How cute! And I made it from a little woven plant pot. I used a broomstick for the wheels, just cut all the slices and drilled a hole in. Also used a bit of scrap wood and some pins. Push the pins through the hole in your wheels and put it on the side of your scrap wood. Your scrap wood has to be a little bit wider than your plant pot. Tap it in. Don't make it too tight though, because your wheel still needs to be able to spin around. Then with some hot glue I glued the wheel base to the bottom of my plant pot. And for the handle I used a bit of curtain wire. It's brilliant for a pulling handle. Just make a little loop to the size that you think is right for your basket, cut it to size, and then again just with your hot glue, glue it in place. To have your trolley standing, you need a little bit of balance, so with the hot glue I glued a teeny bit of dowel to the front of my basket. And the next step is optional. I lined my trolley with a bit of scrap fabric that once again I hot glued in place. Now I might just have to make a bigger version for myself. Shall we have a look at some of the outfits that I made for the squirrel? I got these advent gift boxes from Tiger. You have to fold them in shape, and then I simply filled them with all my pieces of clothing. Fancy making your own teddy, there are some lovely ones you can buy. I saw some beautiful ones in Zara Home the other day. Have a look on Vinted, lots of second-hand teddies or your local charity shop, or why not use a teddy you already have in your house. And same thing goes for the clothes. If you don't want to make your own clothes, have a look on eBay and Vinted and charity shops and also toy shops to sell really cute dolly clothes. And you don't have to do a clothing item every single day. You can do one every 5 days, and on the other days just pop in a little chocolate coin or maybe a little task of something they could do. I really hope you like my idea of the advent calendar with a twist, and please let me know in the comments below of what is your favorite outfit for the squirrel. I'll be back next week with a gift idea, so I hope to see you then. Shh, there's 2 things I haven't made yet. It's mid-November now, so I still got a bit of time, but I haven't finished her outfit yet. Because for the last box I am thinking big poofy Christmas party dress, like 2 layers and a cute little top. But yeah, still need to make that one.